All right, so there we are. First test successful. So right now it looks like they're on the color changing option. So it does work with the Pentair GloBrite, whatever you want to call it, color changing. Sweet, so I'll get some more photos or videos once it's dark out here, but looks to be like it's working. All right, so here we go. This is the lights all lit up at night. I apologize for the noise of the frogs. The rain that we had earlier really set them off, and the pond is filling up. But this is what they look like. Right now I got them set to the changing color. As you can see, I need to go in and mess with them just to see what the different settings are for setting them as one color or just having them rotate through. But they definitely look good. Only 2 lights are filling up this whole pool, so I can't complain too much. Definitely worth the upgrade, and we'll see how long these lights last, see what they compare to the actual OEM Pentair. But I think the quality that I observed installing them is definitely a plus, and the price point that you're going to pay for these being much cheaper than the Pentair is definitely worth it. Just to show, I think this is my favorite color. This is the dark blue color. It's not really showing up too great on the camera. It's showing up a little bit lighter than it actually is, but it's definitely a dark blue color, and I think it looks good. So we'll probably keep it on this for now, and then cycle through, see if we like any of the other ones a little bit better. So that's going to do it for this video. I will say that I'm very pleased with these lights. Hopefully they last longer than the typical Pentair lights or even the replacement lights that you can find online for much cheaper. They do work with the controls exactly the way that Pentair designed it. So direct swap. The only issue that I really had was the confusion on the threads on the enclosure going into the niche inside of the pool, but everything worked out just fine. They fit perfectly, all the cables hooked up just fine, and then the lights turned on perfectly. So again, if you want to purchase these lights, go ahead and check out the link down in the description below. That's going to do it for this episode. Hammer Down Creations out.